see how I lean. See how I lean. Within a ship cost. See how I lean. I don't sure say I go fat again. I call myself man. See wetin that ship cost. You see wetin that ship cost. You see, nothing dey my fridge. Like nothing dey my fridge. You see, I'm fridge empty. Shishi, money to buy something no dey. Hi God. Hi God. I just want to show you something. Wallahi talahi. This thing now where they talk now don't enter everybody body. You see here? Here, ba. Here. Nah, favorite spot where gets the day, ba. You see, here dry. You know, see, guys don't they agree carry get again. Here don't dry. And besides, they don't come put money. They can't come put money. This thing where we just enact 20k, 10k. Now, if you see here now, I'm going to tell you something, bring 50k, 70k per night. Per night. This thing don't enter my body. See, this hardship, they bad. They bad. Even guys don't agree there. This thing na evening time. You see, na evening time. Yeah, they dry. And waiting our ship cost. Wait, he never finish, yo. He never finish. I feel my show or something. See here? Yeah, now. Get one hotel where they here. Get one hotel where they inside here now. That hotel now. Before waiting the lot that hotel na 10k. Now that hotel now na 50k per night. 50k. Where common man fit bring 50k, even to call container hard. Never finish. I might tell you something. Never finish. You see the shop where they here now. This shop now where they buy condom now. Madam, how much is the shop condom now? You see, I'm condom now 1k. Common keys 1k. Common keys where we just they use 1k. How much did they sell them before? Yeah, at 300 they sell them before. 250. This hardship don't enter person body. I beg Nigerians, I beg. Hey.